Hello everyone, I am Professor K. N. Maksore, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sanjini College of Engineering, Kopargaon. In this video, I will explain you how to use the Make Analyzer software to draw a cam profile for different follower motions or for the different types of the followers or different shapes of the follower. For that, first of all, you need to download that Make Analyzer software that I have already explained in my previous videos. Now with this I will explain you how to use that cam profile tab and how to do that, how to draw that displacement diagram. Next, your velocity, that displacement velocity and the velocity acceleration and the jerk diagram, how to draw that cam profile, that I will explain you in this today's video. To start cam profile, first I will open my that Make Analyzer software application. For that, again you just click on your folder that you have downloaded. Just open this. You will find that total 12 files. Next, you just need to click on the Make Analyzer application. You will find that application. Just Make Analyzer application. Just double click on this. I will make it full screen. Okay. Next, you will find that Velocity IC SFA module, cam module. You just need to click on this cam module. Okay, after clicking on this cam module, that new window gets appeared. Just make it full screen. Okay, you will find these are the options: display graphs, draw displacement curve, cam profile, and rotate cam. In the first case, you need to draw that displacement, velocity, and the acceleration diagram. Next, here you need to draw the displacement diagram. By using that displacement diagram, we are going to draw the cam profile, and here in this we can simulate that cam profile. We can rotate that cam profile. Okay. Now in this case, here you will find that input parameters, that angle of ascent, angle of rise, dwell after the ascent, next descent, and remaining is the dwell after descent. Next one is the height, which is the stroke length. Next, you need to define the base circle. If you want to take the offset, that you can also take, and you need to take the roller radius. Okay. Next, which type of follower in which you are interested, either knife edge follower or the roller follower. If it is in knife edge, there is no use of that roller radius, but by default it takes. Okay. Next, which during ascent or during rise, which follower motions that you want to select: constant velocity, simple harmonic motion, constant acceleration, circular motion, or you have the same choices for the descent also. Now here I have selected the roller follower. Its radius is of 7.5. This is my given data. Ascent, for the ascent I have considered the constant velocity, and for the descent I have considered the simple harmonic motion. Just click on that display graph. Okay. In this display graph, you will find this is the displacement diagram. This is in the small font, this is the velocity diagram, and this is your acceleration diagram. Okay. Now here you will find the results for the velocity diagram. For the constant velocity, which is of 400 mm per second, that acceleration is 0 during the rise. You will find this is the during rise, that acceleration is 0 because this is the constant velocity. Again, for the descent, velocity is at the midway of the descent, and velocity is minimum when the follower is at the midway. That means at this location we will find the minimum, that means negative, which is of minus 942 mm per second, and the maximum acceleration you will find over here and here at this location, which is of 35530 mm per second square. Okay. These are the displacement, velocity, and the acceleration. Now I want to draw the displacement step by step. I want to draw this step by step displacement diagram. Just click on the draw displacement curve. That parameters are again remain same, and just click on the animate displacement diagram. Animate. First of all, you need to consider the ascent. Here you will find the instruction: draw vertical lines equal to the number of divisions ranging from the 0 to ascent angle. that ascent is of the 150 degrees. For the 150 degrees you need to draw the ascent. Next step, draw equal horizontal lines. Here you will find that instruction. Next step, you need to draw the curve for the constant velocity. Next step, which is the dwell. Next step, next step is to draw the displacement curve during the descent. Okay, now it is of the simple harmonic motion. In this software they have already cover all this, how to draw that displacement diagram for the constant velocity, simple harmonic motion, constant acceleration or circular motion that they have included. First of for that they have given the instruction, draw semicircle diameter equal to maximum height of the follower. Next you need to divide it into the equal parts and to draw the horizontal lines as per the divisions, and you need to draw that curve. The next, this is the dwell after the descent. In this way we can draw the displacement diagram. Now I want to draw the cam profile for the same parameters. Just click on the cam profile. Now first of all here you just need to click on the show displacement diagram. Next I want to draw the cam profile. Just click on the cam profile. Again here it shows the step by step how to draw that cam profile. First of all you need to draw one circle, that instruction that already mentioned. Next step, divide it into the angle, divide that angle of ascent into the parts, equal parts that you have taken during the to draw that displacement diagram. Next to draw that profile. Next one is the descent. Next divide that angle of descent into the equal parts. Next join that, just take that distances from that displacement diagram and draw the cam profile. In this way you can draw that cam profile. Next part I want to see its simulation. For that just click on the rotate cam and just click on the animate cam. In this way you can see its simulation also. Okay, now I want to see the roller follower and I want to draw that cam profile for the roller follower. Again just click on the draw displacement diagram, draw the cam profile, just click on the draw cam profile, just click on the draw cam profile. Next step, see all the instructions that you have mentioned over here, they are mentioned over here. And if you want to see its rotation, just click on the animate cam and you'll find that this is for the roller follower. Okay, again if you want to change that angle of that means follower motion during the ascent and descent. Suppose during start I want to take the simple harmonic motion, and during return or during descent I want to take the cycloidal motion. Just click on the display graph. This is the curve for the simple harmonic motion and this is the curve for the cycloidal motion. Just click on the display curve. Draw the displacement diagram, animate displacement diagram for the simple harmonic motions. They are given the step by step instruction for the displacement diagram. Now we are going to draw the cycloidal motion during the descent. Now here you need to draw one circle whose radius is equal to stroke length upon 2 pi. That circle that you need to draw over here. Just divide this circle into the equal parts. That number of parts is equal to number of divisions. Next, draw the horizontal lines. Next, draw the lines through these points which must be parallel to this diagonal line. And as per there is intersection with these vertical lines, you can take that intersecting points and you can draw this cam profile. Okay. Now we have drawn this cam profile. Next, using this we need to draw the cam profile. Just click on the cam profile. Just click on the show displacement diagram. This is your new displacement diagram. This is the simple harmonic motion. This is the cyclic motion. Now we are going to draw the cam profile. Just click on the cam profile. You'll find the step-by-step instruction. Here we are going to use the roller follower. Next step, angle of ascent. Okay. Next, we have just taken these points from the displacement diagram. Now next, from these points you need to draw the roller circle, and that roller circle which we need to draw that roller circle, and we need to draw that cam profile in a such a way that all this roller circle must be tangent to this particular cam profile. Next one is the dwell. Next one is the dwell of descent. Again, we need to locate these points with the help of this displacement diagram. Next, we need to draw the circles whose radius is equal to roller circle at this location, all these instances. And again, we need to draw the cam profile in a such a way that cam profile must be tangent to all these circles. Next step. Okay, in this way we have drawn that cam profile. Next, just click on the rotate cam. Just animate this. In this way we learn how to draw that cam profile. We have started with the graphs, displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram, acceleration graphs. Next we have drawn the displacement curve. Next we have drawn the cam profile. For this different follower motions, that means constant velocity, simple harmonic motion, constant acceleration, cyclic motion, all this we can consider by, or you can draw using this MakeAnalyze software, and we can simulate that cam. For this, in this case they have added two follower, one is the knife edge follower and the roller follower. In this video we learn how to use this MakeAnalyze software to draw the cam profile, to draw the displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram, to draw the displacement diagram, to draw the cam profile, and to simulate that cam profile for the two type of follower, knife edge follower and roller follower. Again, we have considered, or you can consider the different follower motions: uniform velocity, simple harmonic motion, uniform acceleration, retardation, and the cyclic motion. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you very much.